Alright, for sale I have a Redcat Racing Volcano s30. Has a brand new body on it, and it's about a month old. I have tons of extras for it. And I guess I'm going to show you it today. Now bear with me, I only have one hand because I'm on an iPhone. But as you see, it has focus. It has blue aluminum body posts. It comes with a beater body, but I call it that because well, it took a spill and it destroyed the body, so I bought a brand new one. Now, pretty much everything on here is stock right now, but these little body mounts. It has a 0.18 high output 3cc engine from Lion Racing. I do have the tuned exhaust on there at the moment. All brand new batteries. I'll include the tools for it, the batteries, you know, whatnot. Oh, one thing though, I just took the top mount suspension off. No big deal. It does need a pull start, and yes, it is dirty, I know. It's easily clean though. Kind of waterproofed everything, so all you need to do is put a snorkel on the carb and the exhaust and you're good. Real simple to do. You can buy a pull start for 15 bucks, or you can buy an electric start for 20 or 25. Now the exhaust is real simple to put back on. You just bring it up here and again, bear with me. And poof, that's one. I'm not going to do the other one right now. There's no sense in it. There's shock, you know, bumpers, you know, everything. Don't need to get into all that right now. It comes, I'll send it in the factory box that it came with, just because it's brand new still. And I'll also put some Torco race fuel in there, about a half gallon. I'd a little more than that. I have the easy squeeze bottles, you know, for easy filling and whatnot. Alright, let's take the box off. Show you all the extras I have. I have the upgraded remote, 2.4 gigahertz. Neat little remote. Focus. Alright. It has one of those little, you know, flip top things. All lights work and everything. Different trims, you know. Pretty nice little remote here. I like it a lot. I bought their official hop-up kit from it. Paid 115 or 120 bucks for it. Alright, focus. Wonder why it's having a hard time focusing. Comes with 8 shocks, new like wishbones or drive shafts, I guess. Comes with front upper control arms, front lower control arms, rear upper control arms, rear lower control arms, a fuel filter, 4 nuts. That's gross. Well, no, for the tires and whatnot, 4 aluminum nuts. It comes with a new tuned exhaust, aluminum, an aluminum manifold. Alright, that's just in that. Again, I paid 115 or 120 for it. I'll send about 20 or 30 different, or 20 or 30 double A's with it. I mean, why not? I'm going to use them eventually. Come with the oil, you know. You can tell it's been used, so the engine's been upkept fairly nice. Got a couple of high performance glow plugs in here somewhere. You got the tool for the, well, I guess for everything. And right here, these little screws. Though that is for the pull start. Don't get scared. Here's the original pull start. If you think you can rebuild the pull start, it'll come with it. Maybe you won't have to buy a new one. But this, it comes with the starter kit, I guess. And it has all that stuff on it. Focus, come on. Four new tires. They are a little small, but they are super soft. Super grippy. And I guess they're fairly nice. I mean, I used them once, and that's it. I took them off because, well, I was going off-road with it. I have about $600 in parts alone. So keep in mind that buying this, you're going to get an amazing deal on everything you're buying. Because you'll be getting it probably for about $300 or $400 less than what you would buying this all, you know, on your own. I have a few extra fuel filters. Come on, focus. They're all aluminum, as you can see how it hooks up with the you know, hose and whatnot. That would go right here. And let's see, I'll put that aside. Shocks. Focus. I have a whole bunch of brand new shocks from HSP Racing. About 8 of them, actually. There's 6 of them. Oh, what the hell? Heck. Did not say that word. It seems I am missing 2 shocks. Awesome. Look back in here for a second. Oh, no, I'm not. Right here. So I have 8 aluminum oil-filled, oil-capped, or aluminum-capped suspension. Really nice, really smooth. As you can see, they're about 3.5, 4 inches. I got big hands. And those have never actually been put on. I just took them out of the package so you could see them, like them, not through plastic. All brand new on those. And you have those shocks over here. So you'll have 16 brand new aluminum shocks. I'll include about 100 body clips. You can't go wrong with those. Never have too much of those. I have another brand new gold aluminum fuel filter. Really nice. Most of this is all from HSP Racing. And I figured when I'd buy this truck that I'd buy nothing but the best for it, just because I have the money. And well, I decided that I'd want to go into a different type of RC now. I know it's kind of late and everything, but whatever. I'll sell this, you know, call it good. I have a new aluminum manifold for the exhaust. Flared end, you know, a little dusty, been sitting in the box. Yep, it comes with the gasket, all the screws and everything. Actually, I think it'll come with 2 extra screws. Have that. That's empty bag. Now, here's one. Well, it comes with 2 sets of rear upper control arms. Just because I didn't want to wait. So, I broke one and I left. Let's see. The other one is right there. Already installed. Real simple to install. A couple body pins are done, or body or whatever, different pins. Here's the other one, and then you get two more over here. So you get 4 rear upper control arms, all high quality and everything, aluminum. So, I mean, everything in here is the best that they offer for it. You won't get any better, really. I'll include a full brand new set of Allen wrenches for it. And it also, on the way, I have Traxxas, like custom tools and everything for it. Give you some precision screwdrivers, Phillips and flathead. Custom aluminum air filter that sticks right there on the carb. Comes with the original fuel filter, or air filter, I mean. As you can see, it's not, it's just rubber. I have, the original pull cord, as you can see, was kind of low end, not very high quality, or heavy duty. I'll send a bunch of zip ties with it, for whatnot, for everything, I guess. Here's the original body mounts, in case you want them. An extra dog bone. This connects. See if you can see it in here. This connects that shaft right there to the tire right there, and that allows it to spin 4-wheel drive. I don't think there's anything else really. Oh, it'll come with the Loctite for it, not that you need it. I tightened everything down with it to begin with. Covered those. Oh, and it'll come with 3 high performance glow plugs. Focus. Okay. And this glow plug, like igniter, with the charger. So never really have to worry about buying a new one. I'm going to show you it works. I don't burn myself. Focus. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it works just fine. Actually, it works phenomenal. And they're it's a little warm. Number 8 high performance glow plugs that burn super hot. Oh, excuse me. Oh, for the little pull start here, yes, Golden Lion racing engines. I just bought a heavy duty pull cord for it, and I am getting it out of the package now to show you. All of this will come with this truck. I mean, I know I probably shouldn't put videos like this on YouTube to sell my truck, and I know this isn't super professional, but I'm 19. This truck is very well taken care of, except it being a little dirty. I haven't cleaned it. Well, here's a heavy-duty nylon rope, and I'll show you the difference in thickness. Focus, come on. So can you see the thickness difference? This white rope is